The Ufuga kingdom is in a siege because of a pregnant virgin that must be sacrificed to the goddess of the moon and the stars. But she is nowhere to be found, although she has been confirmed dead by the masquerade. How can a virgin be pregnant? Watch out in the beauty of a mad princess.
Isioma.
Yes.
Ebere.
Yes.
Ngozi.
Yes.
There's something bothering me that I need to discuss with you maidens.
What is it? Talk to us.
Yes. What is it?
It's about the princess abnormality.
This is just what I'm about to say. Me too.
My fellow maidens, it bothers me too. The worst part of it is that the chief priest said no one should discuss about it.
Can you imagine that?
Even the king has no say in this matter. Wonders they say will never end.
Let the chief priest do something about it because the royal household is in trouble.
Yes.
Sacrilege! Abomination! To the kingdom that maidens should gossip. Now royal maidens gossiping the royal household. What an abomination!
Please.
Her Majesty must hear this.
No, please. Hey. There is nothing we will not see in this kingdom. Goddess of our land, save us from this calamity.
Salutation, Your Majesty.
Yeah. Where are the rest maidens?
Your Majesty, they are at the back of the hall.
Go. Summon them now.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Salutations, Your Majesty.
How dare you all gossip the princess of this kingdom?
Apologies, Your Majesty.
Shut up! One more word from anyone. Your head shall be off your neck. Thank your stars that the palace is already facing problems. Else! Now, get out of my presence Hey, and you, get back here. You are the chief maiden of this house. If you see or hear anything of such attitude again, do not hesitate to tell me.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Now, you may.
Obakwano, Koyonga Yogi Pano. Obakwano, Odubo Yonga Yogi. Obakwano, Kwano Koyonga Yoga Vapano. Obakwano, Koyonga Yoga Vapano. Mbi Jogerima, 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 Jogerima. Obakwano, Odubo Yonga Yogi. Obakwano, Kono Sididibo Namuna. Obakwano, Obakwano, Jogerima, 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 Jogerima. Erime bango, Obakwano, Jogerima, Jogerima, Jogerima. Great goddess, for it has pleased you that we see this day. Thank you. May the supplications and the sacrifices of the people be made known unto you. Jogerima, 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 Jogerima. Obakwano, Odubo Yonga Yogi. Obakwano, Koyonga Yoga Vapano. Mbi Jogerima, 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 Jogerima. Erime bango, Jogerima, Erime bango, Jogerima. Obakwano, Jogerima, 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 Jogerima. Obakwano, Odubo Yonga Yogi Pano. Obakwano, Odubo Yonga Yogi. Thank you, great goddess. Thank you. Jogerima, 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 Jogerima. Obakwano, Jogerima, Erume bango, Jogerima, 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 Jogerima. Obakwano. Your sacrifice has been accepted by our Queen Mother. You are blessed in the morning, you are blessed in the noon, and you are blessed in the evening. Go. Your sacrifice has been accepted. You are blessed. Go!
A dance of a spirit is only made for the spiritual. And whosoever dances to the beat must not stop halfway. Who shall this be this time? I mean, who shall it be this time? And from which family shall he come from? The kingdom of Mfuga is in trouble. Trouble of the unknown.
Mba! Omako! Mfunga! Omako! Ihe manileni! Omako!
Ogidi! Ogidi! We have to leave it for the gods.
Ufunga Kingdom! Listen Listen! No one should mourn for the dead, for the goddess gives and takes whoever that displeases her. A message from our great goddess. Do not provoke the goddess of the threefold cord, for her anger is very dangerous. A message from our great goddess. Ufunga Kingdom. Listen up. No one should mourn for the dead, for the goddess gives and takes whoever that displeases her. A message from our great goddess.
Wonder shall never end.
Yes, so my sister.
The Funga Kingdom have really suffered. People dying. My sister, let's go.
Let's go.
Why me? Why me? Why was I born to a kingdom like this? A kingdom that's an option of a princess does not count. Because she's a woman.
Weep no more, my princess. The gods shall make a way. And maybe that's why they have sent that strange soul.
I pray they make a way. For this is too much for me to bear. It's too much. It's too much. It's too much. Alright. I'm sorry. I won't cry again. I promise. Let's go. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Did you hear that voice? Listen.
Yes. I can hear a voice crying, blood, blood.
Gather up your things. We need to leave here immediately. Gather up your things. Gather up. It's okay. It's okay. Let's leave. Let's leave. Let's.
Return to the palace, Princess China. For your blood is too precious to be shed. You are the chosen generation.
And who are you to stop me from going to sacrifice to the great goddess of the threefold call?
Princess China, an ear that refuses to heed to her mother's warning shall surely be chopped off with the head. Any further step from here, you and your maidens shall not live to stir the mystery. Always remember that you are the chosen generation.
Her ways are heavy and fearful. My princess, listen to the words of wisdom and reasoning. I think we should return to the palace, my princess.
Apologies, my princess. Don't you think she may be one of those enemies of the royal household sent to distract our move? No, my princess, don't listen to her. Let's return to the palace.
Enough!
Follow me.
Who was that maiden? Is she a spirit? But she's pregnant. Does spirit get pregnant? No. Her ways was fearful. If I tell father about this, He will not believe me. He will not listen to me because I'm a woman. He will not.
My princess, when human minds are dirty, supplications are denied.
What do you mean?
Calamity shall befall the prince, your brother, before sunset. Do not let that happen. Else, your happiness shall be replaced with sorrow and agony.
How do I stop him? How do I stop him? How do I stop him? Knowing that my words does not count.
My princess. My princess.
Yes, my prince. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming.
My princess. I have been searching everywhere for you. You look worried. Now tell me. Talk to me. What troubles the princess of Mfuga Kingdom? You can talk to me.
You will not understand. You will not. Please. Please. My prince, please. You have to listen to everything I have to say. Please. Do not go out. Because I cannot bear the pain of losing my only brother. Please, don't go.
What are you saying? What are you talking about? Danger awaits me.
Yes!
I should not go out. You are even crying. I can see you are not alright. You are not.
My friends, listen to her. And we cannot bear the pain of losing. Please, we're begging you.
Yes. I'm alright. I'm fine. I don't want to lose you. I can't bear it. I cannot, please. Don't go.
You're
I'm
not
begging
alright.
you, please. I'm
Mate!
begging you. Please. Please.
Congratulations, my friends.
Now, take her to her chamber. She needs rest.
No, please.
No, you have to rest. Take her. While the rest of you, return the items. For we shall go and offer the sacrifice when she regains herself. Little princess, don't worry. Nothing is going to happen to me. Okay? I'll be fine. Now come with me.
Son, are you telling me that your sister the princess is mentally ill?
Father, honestly, I'm confused of what to call her reactions. We were to go offer our royal sacrifice to the goddess. I was ready with the items waiting for her. But she couldn't come out. I had to call her. She came out and started crying, pleading with me not to go. And that she warned her not to let me go. And that she can't bear the pain of losing me. Father, I'm confused.
Dikeh, Your Majesty.
Go call the queen.
My king, you sent for me.
Yes. I want to know what is wrong with your daughter. Are you aware that she's mentally ill?
Hey, the goddess forbids that my daughter be mentally ill.
Yes, you're right, Your Highness. My princess is not mentally ill and can never be.
So where is she?
Oh, she should be in her chambers, my king.
My elders, I greet your majesty.
You live longer than your forefathers, your majesty.
I call this urgent meeting because an urgent situation requires urgent attention.
That is
all right.
And
Yes, Your Majesty.
Wise one, the mood you walked in this palace made my mind to skip because it smells trouble. So tell me, what message do you have from the great goddess of this kingdom?
A sacrifice have to be offered before sunset. Else, the princess shall join her ancestors today.
Aliani Garema.
Aliani Gadema.
Ogarema.
Ogarema. Aliani Gadema. Ogarema. Aliani Gadema. Ogarema. Aliani Gadema. Aliani Gadema.
You have to do something.
No.
Aliani Gadema.
This is very absurd. Your Majesty. To the best of my knowledge, we have not offended or disobeyed the goddess. Or has the princess offended them?
You have just spoken my mind. I think we have to find out from the princess.
The ways of the gods are different from ours. In that case, we should proceed with the sacrifice immediately.
That is best.
Egbentu!
Your Majesty.
Go. Prepare the items immediately.
Yes, Your Majesty.
That is best. This can the princess join the ancestors? No.
When a child decides to dance the dance of an adult, its household bears the cross.
You are humble and obedient subjects have come to plead with you to temper justice with mercy. On behalf of the royal household, I, your diligent servant, have come to you with this sacrifice.
O great goddess of our fathers, the protector of our kingdom, from generation to generation, you remained the most powerful of all. On behalf of my daughter, the princess, I present to you these items. Please, restore back her senses, for she is but a child, and we shall serve you forever. Alanyi Karima.
Behold, the sins of the royal household has been pardoned.
Thank you for hearing and answering us. Now, Ofuga kingdom shall now know peace. Alianyi gadimma,
Ogarima, Alianyi gadimma, Ogarima, Alianyi gadimma, Ogarima, Alianyi gadimma, Ogarima,
Alianyi gadimma,
Ogarima,
Alianyi gadimma,
Ogarima,
Alianyi gadimma, Ogarima, Ogarima.
Peace remains in your dwelling forever, Princess Trina.
Beautiful fair one, always dress on princess attire, yet pregnant. I would have said you are a goddess. Or does spirits get pregnant?
All mortals are spirits living in a body which will one day return to the dust.
All mortals are spirits living in a body. What does that mean?
Strange one. I also would like to ask you a question.
Go ahead.
You said to me, if I make an attempt to go to the sacrifice to the goddess, I shall join my ancestors. That I am the chosen generation. And you also said I should stop my brother from doing the same. Why?
Your father, the elders, and your brother, the prince, they offered the sacrifice on your behalf, pleading on your behalf.
You know of it. Well, I tried. I tried to stop them, but they refused.
Every destiny have its destination, but one can only fulfill it when he gets to the right destination. Well, I have a gift for you.
My gift? Yes, my prince. My prince. The strange one is finally here.
My princess, I can see you and the little princess are having a good time. My princess.
Where is she? She was here
Strange one! Strange one! Please come back. Come back, she's here. She was here. Yes, I'm fine, she was here. The fair one, the strange one I told you about, she was here. Strange one! Please come back.
Little princess can't be strange fair one. What is going on?
Oh, she's right here. She was here. Where could she be?
There is nobody here.
Where could she be?
My princess! My princess!
She's here. I find her. She's here.
There is no one here. Calm down. Not again, my princess. Calm down. I can see you keep well. Just calm down, okay? Calm down. There is no one here. Calm down. Calm down.
She was here. She was here.
It's okay. Calm down. There is no one here. There's no one. Calm down. It's okay. All you need is rest, okay?
My king, princess is at it again. She is talking out of point. You need to do something about it.
Yes, father. Something has to be done. And very fast. Before it goes on record that the princess of this great kingdom is insane.
No, it's not possible. It has never been heard before, and it cannot begin in my time. Dikeh!
Your Majesty.
Go and summon the chief priest.
Your Majesty.
Ogidi?
Yes, wise one.
You remember what I told you about this very leaf? No, this very one.
No.
No, you've forgotten.
Yes.
Always pay attention to what I'm telling you. If I'm teaching you something, I don't want to teach you something twice. That very leaf is the leaf I told you of. How many I told you that you pick? How many?
He said...
I
3.
told you that you pick 3. Well, come. Take this one. How many?
2.
Remaining how many?
1.
Good. I think you go further.
Greetings, great one. The great seer of Mfoga Kingdom.
Salutation, humble servant from the palace. Hold your peace. I know why you are here. But go. Tell the king that I shall be with him at no distant time. Look at that one. Let's go. Do that very well.
Yes. This is what the king said we should not discuss about the princess again. What are we not going to discuss about?
Gonibe. 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 How many times have I called you?
I don't know.
You don't know? As they say, the word has ears.
The word has ears and the leaf has nose. What concerns me concerns that?
You know what?
What?
I cannot sit down here and discuss this with you.
Whatever. For me, I'm not going to stop discussing about the princess. Well, I'm not the cause of her problem.
The mouthpiece of the goddess of our land. I am confused. Why is the princess still insane after all the sacrifices and pleading on her behalf?
Be cautious of what you say, Your Majesty, to avoid the wrath of the goddess of our kingdom, for they are unquestionable. Princess China, may the goddess of our kingdom have compassion over you.
He say...
Princess China, may they heal you through these hearts.
You say...
No, Father, no. I shall not take these herbs. There is nothing wrong with me. I'm fine. Mother, please. I'm fine. Please.
Please, you have to take it.
Princess! Drink that herb and be well. Else you cease to be my child and the princess of this kingdom. It has never been heard in the history of this kingdom that a princess is a sin, and it cannot begin in my reign. Not at all. It cannot. Now drink and be well.
It's for your good and the good of the entire kingdom. Please.
My princess. Let her be. My prince. She shall be well in due time. Okarima. Okarima. Lini karima. Okarima. Lini karima. Alini karima. Okarima.
It shall be well, my princess. The gods shall make a way.
Strange fair one. Strange fair one. Where are you? Where are you? I have been forced to take herbs for no reason, yet I cannot vomit it. If you are that powerful, please come and help me, please.
I'm here. If only you can confess with your mouth and believe in your heart that Jesus is the Lord and that God raised him from the dead, then only shall you be saved.
I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. I want to be saved. Please help me.
Now the both of you repeat after me. So Lord Jesus.
Lord Jesus.
I confess to you today that I'm a sinner.
I confess to you today that I am a sinner.
Come into my life.
Please come into my life.
And be my Lord and Savior.
And be my Lord and Savior. Can I vomit it now?
Go ahead and speak that which is your desire, and it shall come to pass.
Yes, I can vomit it.
A river does not flow through the forest without pulling down trees. Your Majesty, there is trouble in the land, and we must all appear before our great goddess, else we all shall perish.
Great one, there is no need to waste time. What are the items to carry go along so that the guards get them ready?
No wise man runs the race of safety looking for a red cap. Your Majesty, there is no need for that. We must all leave at sunset.
Okay. Not now, but at sunrise. Alanye Karima.
Igwe, I am getting confused.
No, we will do anything possible to make sure that Alanye Karima.
You say?
Have you heard?
Heard what?
that the princess is serving another god.
You maidens of no faith, have thou no heart at all?
And who is this little fat child? Is she not the same we encountered the other day?
Yes, she is. But what I don't know is if she's human or spirit.
O great goddess of our kingdom, into your hands we commit our souls.
So now let's just shut up and go. This kingdom is turning into something else.
This is dangerous.
The descendant of Mahana's soul must be sacrificed, else I shall wipe the entire kingdom.
Oh, great mother of the earth. Please, speak to us, your children, in a clearer tongue. Is it she that the masquerade has confirmed that? Or do you speak of another?
Great mother, you are the most mighty, the only one who is a god and the mother of all. Do not be silent, nor forsake us, please.
Her soul must be brought to me, else I shall wipe the entire kingdom. Her soul must be brought to me, else I shall wipe the entire kingdom. Her soul must be brought to me, else I shall wipe the entire kingdom.
Apologies for distracting your quiet moment, Your Majesty.
Speak.
Your Majesty, for a while now, the princess and the little princess has not eaten nor stepped out from their chamber, and we are bothered.
For how long have this been happening?
From the day she was given the herbs to drink.
What? And you're just informing me now?
Apologies, Your Majesty.
Get out of my sight at once! Hey. Even though the chief priest said we should let her be. No. I have to do something.
Your Majesty, 2 warriors shall be fortified and sent to the other side of the earth to bring back her soul for sacrifice. Only then shall peace be restored to this kingdom.
Wise one.
Your Majesty.
I thought she has been confirmed dead by the dragon masquerade, or is it another you are talking about?
She is dead, but her soul still lives. And that soul must be brought back for sacrifice. Else, we shall all perish.
But we all know that no one has ever crossed to the other side of the earth and returned to this side of the earth alive.
You are right. But then, how possible can that be?
The great goddess shall go ahead of them and make their way straight, and they shall return back home peacefully.
Oh.
What did I see you doing with Dikeh? And where is that question coming from? Anyways, I'm not here to banter words with you. But let it sound as a warning to you. If I ever see you close to him again, you won't like my reaction.
Let me tell you, don't ever in your life raise those filthy hands of yours.
And what's the meaning of that?
So it's true that you maidens have been defiling this royal household. So what I have been hearing is the truth. No problem. The Queen Mother must hear this.
You see what it cost?
I'm sorry.
She must hear this.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Do not beg me.
Please, we are sorry.
I will tell her.
Please.
On one condition.
What condition?
Both of you. Feed the water pots in this palace. Yes. Today.
Accepted.
And now.
Accepted.
You see what it cost?
Well, I don't want to repeat this anymore. Just stay clear, man snatcher.
I don't blame you. Nonsense.
Nkwa, Eke, Oye, Afo. The great warriors of Mfuga Kingdom. 4 days we have in our traditional week, and I fortify you on Nkwa Day, Eke Day, Afo Day, and Oye Day. I fortify you on Nkwa Day, Eke Day, Oye Day, and Afo Day. I fortify you today to go to the evil forest, the land of the dead, in search of the pregnant virgin. You go on Eke Day, you come back peacefully. You go on Afo Day, you come back successfully. Oye and Afo, I fortify you. Go. Go. Go and come back peacefully. I fortify you. Go Nkwa Day, on Eke Day, Afo Day, and Oye Day. Go and come back peacefully. Keke iya, keke keke iya, keke iya, keke iya, keke iya, keke.
my elders. It was terrible. I don't know whether to say that what is bigger than the cricket has entered this cricket's hole.
It is not possible.
Because I am confused. I had a terrible dream last night. Very terrible and fearful. In the dream, I saw myself about to consumed by a dark cloud. And I looked up, I saw Princess China enjoying herself, smiling, dancing. I said, what is all this? And that cloud was about to consume me. I now beckoned on my daughter and pleaded, please help me out of this mess. Help me out of here. That do not let this dark cloud consume your father the king. Do you know what she told me? That there is only one person that can help me. I said, okay, please, whatever it will take to help me out of this place, that I swore by the staff and the throne of my fathers, that I'm going to reward you bountifully. She said that I'm getting it all wrong. That there is only one person and that person is Jesus Christ.
Abomination!
Jesus Christ, I don't know.
Who are they calling Jesus Christ?
Hey!
And not only that, that person that is going to save me, I must accept him and renounce the great goddess of our land. If not that I'm going to sink with the goddess. That the goddess is that cloud, that dark cloud.
The greatest goddess of our own land?
Yes! I became confused.
Blasphemy.
I kept silent for a while. I became confused and hands off. But at a time, I picked courage. I asked my daughter, how can I do that when we have sold ourselves and our souls to the great goddess of the moon, sun, and stars?
According to our tradition.
That if I renounce him, we are all going to perish, including her.
Exactly.
Lo and behold, as I was saying this, lamenting, I started sinking the more. The dark cloud started sinking me. Sinking me! Sinking me! I shouted and woke up. It was terrible.
My king, if I must say, that dream is a very terrible one.
Very terrible, as I said.
I suggest we consult the chief priest immediately.
You're right.
I suggest we do that.
I could not let sleep to my eyes again because I know it was so fearful.
How can you sleep again, Your Majesty?
I couldn't sleep.
Your Majesty, my fellow elder has just spoken well. The best thing we should do now is to consult the chief priest and find out what is going on.
Exactly.
Because it is not a good dream at all.
Or rather interpret the dream.
Exactly. This is not a good dream at all.
Salutations, great people of Ufunga Kingdom. Today is the day that our great goddess will wipe all tears and all mourning will be turned into joy.
It shall be so, it shall be so, it shall be so.
May your soul return to your ancestors the second time and never return to this part of the earth.
It shall be so. It shall be so. It shall be so.
It shall not be so.
Goddess maiden.
How dare you interrupt this process, you strange giant?
Who are you? Are you mortal or an immortal?
I am all! I fight both mortal and immortal war. I fight with mortal weapons when it's physical. And I fight with immortal weapons when it's spiritual.